Onion Bhaji recipe, onion pakora. Make onion bhajis at home. While store-bought onion bhajis or those served in restaurants are delicious, making them at home allows you to customize the flavors, adjust the spice level, and enjoy them piping hot straight from the fryer. Plus, the satisfaction of crafting these golden beauties in your own kitchen is unbeatable. Now, let's dive into this foolproof recipe that guarantees a crispy, flavorful bite every time. Ingredients you'll need. Before you start, gather the following ingredients. Vegetable oil. For deep frying, 3 to 4 cups or approximate 720 to 960 milliliters. Onions, 2 large, peeled and thinly sliced. Minced ginger, 1 tablespoon. Green chili, 1. Finely chopped. Ground spices. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Coriander, 1 teaspoon. Fenugreek, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Fresh coriander leaf, 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped. Salt, 3/4 teaspoon. Garlic salt, half a teaspoon. Graham flour, Besan 130 g, 1½ cups plus 2 tablespoons. Cornflour, cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, half a teaspoon. Water, 135 milliliters, half a cup plus 1 tablespoon. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the onions. Thinly slice the onions using a mandolin or a sharp knife. While a mandolin ensures uniform slices, using a knife gives your bhajis a rustic charm with uneven pieces that fry up delightfully crisp. 2. Mix the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sliced onions with minced ginger, chopped green chili, and all the dry spices, cumin, coriander, fenugreek, chili flakes, salt, and garlic salt. Add the graham flour, corn flour, and bicarbonate of soda to the bowl. Toss everything together to ensure the onions are evenly coated. 3. Create the batter. Gradually add water to the onion mixture, 1 splash at a time, and mix well. You're looking for a thick batter that clings to the onions without being too runny. The batter should be thick enough to hold the onions together when scooped. 4. Heat the oil. Pour vegetable oil into a deep frying pan or heavy-bottom pot. Heat the oil to approximately 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To check if the oil is ready, drop a small bit of batter into the oil. It should sizzle and rise to the surface immediately. 5. Shape and fry the bhajis. Using a spoon, scoop a rounded portion of the batter. Compact it slightly in your hands, then carefully slide it back onto the spoon. Gently lower the bhaji into the hot oil. Repeat with 4 to 5 more portions, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pan. Fry the bhajis for 3 to 4 minutes, turning them halfway through to ensure even cooking. They should be golden brown and crisp when done. 6. Drain and keep warm. Remove the fried bhajis from the oil using a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with kitchen paper to drain excess oil. To keep the cooked batches warm while frying the rest, place them in a preheated oven set at around 130 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit fan. 7. Garnish and serve. Once all the onion bhajis are cooked, transfer them to a serving bowl. Sprinkle with freshly chopped coriander for a burst of color and flavor. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces like sweet chili sauce or tangy tamarind chutney.